Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the throttle body on your 2007 Pontiac Vibe. I've already gone ahead and disconnected my battery. This is the battery right here just behind your driver's side headlight, and all you're going to do is you're going to locate your airbox, which is just behind the battery. You're going to follow this hose right here, and then this metal piece is your throttle body. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this screw here. You're going to loosen this little clamp, and then there's a little tiny hose going right here. You're going to take that off just so it's easier to move around. Push it to the back, and then you're going to take the big hose here and you're going to pull it up. And out of the way, and just right in here is your throttle body and your throttle plate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray some in. Don't spray too much or you'll flood your engine. This is the product I'm using right here. It's called Throttle Body Clean by CRC. So I'm just gonna spray it, and then you're gonna push down. There's a throttle plate in there, and you're just gonna take a little Kleenex. Actually, not a Kleenex, rather a paper towel, and you're going to clean it. Just be careful you don't rip any of it and leave any in behind. And the reason you disconnect your battery is so that if you're opening this when the battery is connected, you're actually sending fuel in, and that'll flood your engine. So while you're holding the throttle plate, just give it a nice spray, let it go, and I'm just going to give you another angle of this throttle plate I'm talking about. Right in here there's a plate, kind of brass in color, that opens up when you press the gas. So now, all you do is the reverse. Take your hose, put it back onto your throttle body. And you're going to tighten up your clamp. And then you're going to take your little hose here and you're going to push it back on. And you'll notice I'm wearing gloves. This is just because I'm using chemicals. Should also be wearing safety glasses. Now I'm going to reconnect my battery. And then when you're all done, make sure you've cleared all your tools off your engine. Make sure everything's back to normal the way it was, and you're going to start your engine up. You'll notice it will kind of sputter. That'll just be the excess chemical that you sprayed in. It'll be burning off. That's normal. So like I said, we just clear off our tools, make sure nothing's laying around, and we're just going to give it a quick start. Now once you've confirmed that your engine is running smoothly, and check your dash for any check engine light, which sometimes there might be a misfire, but just make sure you got no warning lights, and once you've confirmed that, you're all good to go. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.